Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to change the font size to larger from default to larger on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application and now click on these three lines up here, then go to the settings, and as you see here you will find appearance. Click on it, and now here you will find default, and beside it larger, so just click on larger and that's it. If you want to make it default again, just click on default like this. So that's it. That's how to change the font size to larger on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. Oh, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.